Assalamualaikum everyone. Today our video class is on mathematics. Lesson 3, that is chapter 3, subtractions of two digits. In previous class we have studied only simple subtractions. Is it clear? Today we are going to study subtractions with borrowing. Subtracting one digit from two digit we'll see first. So before starting you have to write the place values. This is two digit. So we are subtracting one digit number from two digits. Now, so we are subtraction with borrowing. The previous class we have studied in this way. That is 3, 5, 2, 1. So what we did, we have to start from this one's place value. So this is 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what we did, the number which is below it, we have to remove that number. 1 is there, we have removed one line. So the leftover will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many lines are left? 4. So our answer is 4. Then 3, 1, 2, 3. You have to remove 2 from the 3. 1, 2 we have removed. So 1 is left. So this is the way we did in the previous class. These were the simple subtractions. In today's class we are going to study borrowing. So what is this number? 2. This is 5. Which is bigger? Which number is bigger? 2 is bigger, 5 is bigger? 5 is bigger. Can you minus 2 from 5? 2 is the number given. From 2 you have to take away, you have to minus 5. Is it possible? No, it is not possible. Suppose think you are sitting in a class and teacher is giving you notes. When you open your box, there is no pencil in your box. So what you will say, teacher, I am not having pencil. You will stand up and tell. So what teacher will tell you? Borrow from your neighbor who is sitting beside you. So what you will do? You borrow from that. So here too we are going to borrow from the next number. Is it clear? So this is 2. So 2 is not, as 5 is a bigger number than 2, we cannot remove, that is we cannot take away 5 from 2. So what we are going to do? We have to borrow from, we are borrowing from 3. So what we are doing now? From 3 we have to take, what we have to take? We have to take 1. 1, 2, 3 is this. From this 1 we are taking and keeping here. We are adding 1 here. So how many are left? 2 are left. So here will be 2. See, 3 number was there. From this 3, 1 I have taken this side to one side. One's place value. So what will be the leftover? 2 numbers will be the leftover. So I have to cut this 3 and keep 2. Is it clear? Now my number is, don't add 2 plus 1, 3. So this is, we are taking 1 tens. So this is tens. So 1 plus 2 don't add. This is 1 to 12. So now what you have to do? You have to keep 12 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This number is 12. We have kept 12 lines. From 12 we have to take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After taking away 5, we will count the leftover lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is the left of? 7. So in this way you have to borrow. Is it clear? When this number is not, we cannot minus 2 from 5. So we are taking borrowing from this next, that is tens place. So 1 we are taking here as borrow. So if we take 1 borrow, so leftover will be 2. Is it clear? So this becomes 12. From 12 we have to remove 5 now. So we have drawn 12 lines. We have removed 5. So the leftover were 7. Is it clear? Now here no number is there. So what you have to do? Whatever number is here, not this number. Because this became 2. 1 we have borrowed here. So this is not 3 now, it is 2 only. So these 2 number you have to bring it down. In this way you have to do it. One more I will explain you. Now this is 4. From 4 can you take away 6? From 4 you have to take away, you have to minus 6. 6 is bigger number, it is not possible. So what you have to do? You have to borrow from tens position. So when we have to cut this, we have to borrow 1 here. So this becomes 14 and we have taken 1 here, so it becomes 8. From 9, if you are taking 1, so what is remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is remaining. So now 14, you have to keep 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Is it clear? Now these are 14, we kept 14 lines. From 14, you have to take away 6. You have to minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now what is left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is left? 8 is left. Now we are not having any number here. So what we are going to do? Directly we will bring this number 8 here. Is it clear? Don't write 9 here. Your answer will be wrong. It became 8 because 1 we have borrowed to 1's position. It became 8. 8 will be our answer here. You have to directly bring 8 here. In this way you have to do the borrowing. This is subtracting a single digit number. Single digit number with 2 digit number. Now 2 digits with the 2 digits I will show you. Subtracting. $76, $39. Okay. So now again 3, 5. So 3 is smaller than 5. 5 is bigger. So we cannot take away 5 from 3. So again we have to take a borrow from this tens position. So when we are taking borrow, we have to strike it off. Keep 1 here. So when we are taking 1 here, 1 less it will become. So it will become 5. Is it clear? Now this is 13. You have to keep 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We are keeping 13 lines. From 13 we have to remove 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the leftover? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is our answer. Okay. Now 5. Here we have borrowed 1, this 6 became 5. So what you have to do? These are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we have to keep. From 5 they are asking us to take away 2. We have to remove 2. What is left? 1, 2, 3. 3. This is how subtracting 2 numbers, 2 digit numbers from the 2 digits. Here we were subtracting 1 digit number with 2 digits. Here 2 digit numbers with 2 digits. This is the process we have to follow. So if it is not, 3 is not going from 5, we are borrowing. So when we are borrowing one number will be less here. So then with that number, not from 6, don't minus 6 from 2. You have to take 5. You have to consider 5. Forget about, you have to not remember 6, forget it. So 5, you have to keep 5 lines, take away 2, the leftover will be 3. So one more I will show you. This is 9. Can you take away, 6? This is 9. Can you remove 9 from 6? No, 9 is the bigger number. It is not possible. Again, we have to take borrow. So what we are doing? We have to strike it off, take 1 borrow, and this 7 becomes, yeah, 6. Then this is 16 minus 9, then 6 minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now 16 is there, I kept 16 lines. Now I have to remove 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I removed 9. Now what is left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is left? 7 is left. Is it clear? Now coming to this side. Tens position. Now don't consider, again I am telling you, you have to not consider 7. You have to forget it. Now you have to take 6 only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now from 6 we have to remove 3. 1, 2, 3 we have removed. 1, 2, 3. How many is left? 3 is left. This is the way you have to do the subtraction. Subtracting 2 digits from 2 digits. Subtracting 1 digit from the 2 digits. This is subtracting 1 digit from 2. Subtracting 2 digits from 2 digits. This is the way you have to follow. We have to take one borrow from this side. That is from the tens position. Take one borrow. So this will become 1 less. You have to strike off that number and keep that one number less than that. So after that, in sometimes they'll ask us to verify it. You have to verify. How you are going to verify? When you are verifying, you want to know whether your answer is right or wrong. So what you are going to do is, when you are verifying it, this, now first we'll write the positions, tens, ones. So this number you are going to write first. What is that number? 37. Now you want to check, you want to verify whether your answer is right or wrong. So your whatever answer you got, you have to take it first. Then the number with which you have subtracted 76, you have subtracted from 39. So this 39 you have to take here, bring it here, that is 39. Here we did subtraction. So when you are verifying it, what you have to do? You have to add it. Is it clear? What we are doing? Additions. We are doing additions and verifying. So when you are adding these two, we have to get this number. What is that number? 76. So when we get 76, that means our answer is right. So when you are not getting 76, that means you are wrong. Somewhere you went wrong. Once again, you have to check it that time. Now we will see. We will add these two numbers. We will add these two numbers. When we add these two numbers, we will get this result. That is 76. Now 7. Addition we have to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. What we got? 16. 1 here and 6 here. Okay? This is borrowing, additions with, carrying. This is 3. The next number is 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 1. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus this, carry 1. How many we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now our answer will be this one. Is it right? When we added these two numbers, 37 plus 39, 37 plus 39, we got 76. That means we are right. Our verification, we are verifying it. That is, our verification is right. Suppose if you get some other answer, that means you are wrong. So when you got that answer 76 as the answer, that is, your verification is right. Sometimes if they ask you to verify it and show, so you can verify it easily. How to verify? Your answer what you got after subtracting, keep it first. Then the number from which you have subtracted. From this number you have subtracted from 76, we have removed 39. The number which you have removed, that you have to keep. These two you have to add, you will get the top number, that is 76. Is it clear, children? Hope you all have understood how to do a single digit minus 2 digit, a single digit minus 2 digit subtraction, 2 digit minus 2 digit, 2 digit minus 2 digit, and how to verify it. Is it clear? Hope you all have understood the lesson, children. Thank you.